What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm actually going to be doing something a little different. I have an order for 3 shirts from a returning customer, a guy I work with, for his hunting club. So I figured I'd throw the camera on, film me pressing up these shirts. If it takes too long, I'll speed up the process and everything. So I just wanted to record it so you can see the process. I'm doing back hit, I'm doing the front hit. And these are goof-proof transfers from Transfer Express. So for these, my heat press has to be at 365 for 4 to 6 seconds. This I have at 366 for 7 seconds on this one. And this is medium to firm pressure. The reason I go more on this is because it's this old press. I had it for almost 2 years now. This press is just getting worn out. It's almost time for a new one. So I'm just gonna get into this order and just film it while I'm going with it and let you guys see the process. Okay, so we're up to temp here on this. So I'm gonna do my front left chest print first. Then I'll do my back hits. Left ruler. Centered up. It's medium to firm pressure. These are goof-proof transfers from Transfer Express. They're hot peel. I'll use my measuring tool here. I got this off Amazon. I'll put the link in the description for it. Let me give it a pre-press. Up. This thing, I love using this thing. It helps me out a lot, especially with these left chest ones. Temp. Right where we're supposed to be. Like I said, these are hot peel. So that one. Go. Do my back hit now. Same thing with the back from the top collar. I go about the three to four fingers down usually when it's big back hits like this one. Straight. Lint roller. Pre-press. Okay. They give you grids on here. If you're just starting off, I'd invest in one of these guides. They're a big help when you're just starting off. Yeah. No I'm gonna let this go for a couple more seconds, just because it's a bigger head. Hot peel. There you go. Just throw them off to the side and cool down. When I get a new press, I'm getting a press that with the slide out drawer. I learned my lesson from these clamshell ones. They're good. It's good to start off with, but the slide out drawer is definitely just doing all the placement and everything like that. It's going to be a hell of a lot easier. Pre-press it. Just for like 5 seconds, pre-press. Yeah. Hot peel. I'll speed this up in the video. You want to do lint roller all over the whole area where you're going? This lint roller, I believe I got this at like Marshalls or TJ Maxx or one of them. It was $2. It's actually a lot better with the handle like that. Make sure everything's lined up. Like I said, they got the grid on here from Transfer Express. All you're doing is just lining everything up. Sometimes if it's bigger ones, I'll just pinch it in the middle a little bit at the top. Like that. Yeah. Like I said, let it go a couple seconds with this little press. That's just how I do it. You don't have to do it that way on these bigger ones. Hot peel. There you go. All right, guys. Like I said, these are goof-proof transfers from Transfer Express. That, for my opinion, if you're starting off, start with that. But that was just a quick video on me just, you know, doing an order for 3 shirts. I only filmed 2 of them, so 2 shirts I did on film. So I just wanted to, you know, show you guys my day-to-day when I have to come here and do little orders for people around the area and whatnot. So if you would like, comment, subscribe, and I'm gonna keep coming out with some more of this t-shirt content, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. All right, peace.